Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today's video guys, kasama ko nga ang aking friend na si Alondra. She is also from Bicol. We're both Bicolanas and living here in Europe. But she's living in Norway and I'm living in Denmark. So ngayon nga guys, dadalhin ko si Alondra sa NYHAVN. Isa ito sa mga sikat na dinadayo dito sa Copenhagen. And by the way guys, it's her second time here in Denmark. Kasi nung last time na pumunta siya dito, sobrang sama ng panahon. Kaya nung time na yun guys, hindi talaga namin naikot yung Denmark. But now, this is the day. It's the springtime guys. And ang ganda-ganda ng weather. I love the weather today guys because it's sunny and cold. And it's perfect to walk around Copenhagen.
Yeah, those are the ones I'm most crunchy. I really like that.
Eto na nga guys, nandito na tayo sa NYHAVN. It is one of the most famous places here in Copenhagen. O diba guys, napaka-aesthetic ng NYHAVN. It is because of the colorful buildings and boats.
Kurawan mo ba sin na?
Ha? Hello.
Go.
It's okay.
Demir. 1, 2, 3, go. Go. Ay, may maging ano. Go, magayon. Demir. Okay. Iumbok ang lubot. Sige. Iumbok ang lubot. Okay, sorry.
Bumong si bakla.
I'm just happy. The Venus. Sorry. Okay, go. Son, Demir. Son. Okay, maging tao. Lover, lobot. Sorry.